news people. Very famous news people. They're very famous news people. They are trying to outvlog me.
Jeremy Forgore.
They are trying to outvlog me. These famous news people are trying to outvlog me. You know what? I'm gonna outvlog them. I'm gonna get into.
They're not vlogging.
I'm gonna get into their shot. I'm gonna forcefully get into their shot and outvlog them. Okay. They're trying to outvlog.
They're vlogging. Give the shot.
I'm debating it. It would be very funny. They're trying to outvlog me, Caden.
Not vlogging. It's a news report.
I know. They're trying to outvlog. I'm in so many people's way. Very cool people. It's cool people. It's Brad Bird. It's Brad Bird. He's a very cool person. They have really cool cameras here. I really want those cameras. Yeah. You know what?
Next time you should dance.
I'll run up onto that stage and dance with them. Okay,
You're gonna get kicked out of the entire thing.
I know. It would be very funny.
You will be dragged off the premises.
It would be very funny though. Look who's here!
Maybe not.
Look who's here! It's Lunch
God.
Salonki!
Dad?
It's Lature, the leader of Laticinum. Alright, so I'm gonna go try and redeem myself and do a pull-up. And I'm gonna have Caden record. If I can do at least one pull-up, I will be happy. I really want to attempt to do a pull-up. I want to see what will happen. Which one do you think would be better? That one or that one?
Tall one. He's definitely gonna cut this. You're good, man. Here. He did it a few days ago as well.
Hey, you killed it.
Thank
I like
you.
your shirt.
Thank you.
I graduated from Harrison.
Yeah.
Riley, you got 20 push-ups.
Yeah.
Riley, you got 20 push-ups. Let's go.
I got almost 3 push-ups. Or pull-ups, I meant. I got almost 3 pull-ups. That hurt a lot.
You got 20.
Nah, I got 3 pull-ups. I got myself a pair of Indiana Army sunglasses. You know what? It's very poggers.
How can you not reach the top bar?
It was very poggers though. I have wrist vlogging. Guys, I have wrist vlogging. I can now vlog on my wrist.
Oh my god!
Boys, we can now do wrist vlogs. Let's go wrist vlog from here on out. Okay, this is very crowded. Wrist vlog from here on out, boys. Sean, this is you. This is you. Hi. Oh, Gamer Wars. I'm gonna take that. I found something.
What is it?
Gamer Wars.
What?
Oh my crap, look out! Here, I'm taking Minecraft! Oh my! I'm getting another one. I'm getting another one. Here, Sean, can you just say that again?
No, where's my deep fried Oreos?
They're down there. Broski. Oh, hey, our school's one.
What happened?
Our school thing.
Where?
Right there. You want to support the Warrior Command?
What?
You want to support?
Does Warrior Command have D1?
No.
That's not a sport then.
We found deep fried Oreos, $4.
Is there, there's a second line shop.
We did it. We did it.
Go like the sidewalk area. Man, that looks very good.
Sidewalk area. We found deep fried Oreos. Sean, are you happy now? You're happy? You're a happy little boy? You're a happy little boy, Sean? Guys, deep fried Oreos are actually very good, and I'm gonna look forward to them every year now. Like, holy crap.
Oh yeah. But yeah, like, if you think about it, if I get like a that means we're gonna have like one summer we can do all the stuff together.
Alright, here we go. Hey, what are the keys?